Children, as you have seen the video related to chapter number 2, Safety and First Aid, now it's time to recapitulate it. First of all, we will revise some important points of this chapter. Children, as you know, we should always take care of ourselves and others. We should be careful and alert to avoid injuries. Most of the injuries or accidents occur due to carelessness. To avoid injuries, we should follow some safety rules. Now, let us learn some safety rules which help to keep us safe at home, school and other places. First of all, we will learn safety rules at home. First, do not play with fire or near gas stoves. You may get burned. Next, do not play with sharp objects like knives, blades, scissors, etc. Next, do not touch electric wires, switches and plugs with wet hands. Now, next is safety at school. Children, do not push each other on stairs. Someone might fall down. Next is do not climb on benches in the classroom. You may fall down and get hurt. Always stand in a queue and wait for your turn to get in or out of a bus. Next point is safety on the road. Always walk on the footpath. If there is no footpath, then walk on the right side of the road so that you can see the traffic coming from the front. Next is always cross the road at the zebra crossing. First, look at your right, then left and right again. Children, our next topic is first aid. What is first aid? The immediate help given to an injured person is called first aid. When somebody gets hurt, we need to help that person immediately. If a person gets hurt, call an adult immediately. If the injury is serious, you can also call a doctor. Okay. Now, it's time to discuss some questions related to chapter 2, Safety and First Aid. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. First part is do not play with dash objects. Children, do not play with sharp objects. Next is do not touch dash wires. Do not touch electric wires. Next, always cross the road at dash crossing. Always cross the road at zebra crossing. Next, fourth part is always stand in a dash. Always stand in a queue. Do not play near the dash. Do not play near the road. Now, question number 2. Any two things you should not play with. Do not play with fire. Do not play with sharp objects. Next is any one safety rule to be followed in the classroom. Do not climb on benches in the classroom.